Hello. 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 Everybody. Welcome to the new live stream. It's time for a live stream. They they we're gonna try to be productive as in live stream. Okay. We have some people. Hello. People in the chat. Hello, chat. We'll explain you what we are doing today. So, this is B.A.G.E.R. What is B.A.G.E.R? B.A.G.E.R is autonomous excavator robot featuring full project documentation parser. Okay, so it is a robot which digs holes by itself, and it can read project documentation by itself. So what we have completed, we have completed 45% front end. In the past B.A.G.E.R live stream, uh, we were very productive. We finished embeddings. We finished embedder. Embedder. In past live stream was productive. Today is gonna be more conceptual, right? There is a conceptual work and there is a practical work. Okay, so what we have done from the summer. So last update was first November. So what has been completed as of now, 13th December 2025? 45% front end completed. We have to only do image and GIS extractors. Rest has been completed. So positioner, DXF extractor, Lexer, whatever there is, has been done. So only image and GIS extractors are left to do. That is 45% done. Main box, we have assembled main box. This is this here. So on 1st November, we have officially completed the main box. Everything is secured tightly. This actually works. There is around 6-7 kilos of material here, and the plate is not really. It's as you can see, it's in level. It's in level. Design for hydraulics and caterpillars. Hydraulics are actually motors, but yeah, we have designed them over the summer. What we have to do, we have to assemble excavator arm, assemble hydraulics and caterpillars. Hydraulics are motors. There is no hydraulics. Backend soldering. Backend is 50% of the software suite. Front is 50% of the suite. Soldier, do some testing, and then we will do interesting projects with B.A.G.E.R. When you complete B.A.G.E.R, we will do interesting project with B.A.G.E.R, and we have plans for the next version. Uh, so, uh, so, uh, so yeah. Uh, that is regarding B.A.G.E.R. We will start working on the front end now. As I said, we are going to be very conceptual today. We're not gonna be doers. We're gonna create ideas and concepts. So yeah, this is B.A.G.E.R. As of 1st November, we didn't have made any progress. Yeah, but why we didn't make progress? I will respond to chat really quickly. So B.A.G.E.R is going slowly, very chill work. I'm busy with another project. I'm busy with another project. I have 4 open projects currently. 2 of them are full programming projects and they're on pause. The miss and release. They are they're on pause. They're on pause and they're full programming projects. And I have 2 interdisciplinary projects where programming is part of the project. This is B.A.G.E.R. B.A.G.E.R. There is also electronics, programming, and mechanical engineering, if you want to call it like that. And there's another project where there's gonna be coding involved, but it's science. It's science. Okay. I will start responding to the chat. Tonchi says that I'm using drugs. That is a fake information. I do not use drugs, and I do not inhale volatile organic compounds for photopolymer resin. That is also a lie, which people are pushing so they can defame me. Yeah, they're fighting against the B.A.G.E.R. Of course, I'm joking. You have to know that we have internal jokes and we love sarcasm around here, especially Tonchi. Tonchi is a person in charge for sarcasm. Okay, but no, you know what is interesting? It is interesting that my interest is computational modeling, and currently I'm working on like data extraction, which you need for computational modeling. You need data so you can compute. So I'm basically doing graphics right now, and this is what I do in B.A.G.E.R. I will do in this another project. So all is somehow related. Uh, so we're just coming full circle here. So yeah, this image work will be useful later for another project. Okay, no, not useful. No, it will be useful. And but another project will be useful because you need data to do computation model. Interesting. Is B.A.G.E.R going to drive underwater? No, it's not gonna be waterproof. At least first version. Second version has will have numerous improvements. Numerous improvements. You're always looking forward for the future. You know, you have to be happy for the future. You should live in the future. Okay, but we're not doing philosophy. Okay, I said to myself, I'm not doing philosophy, only science. Uh, 2006, 7. Maybe. What is better, B.A.G.E.R or photopolymeric acid? There is only photopolymeric resin. Photopolymer resin is not acidic. I think so. And I think B.A.G.E.R is better because you can do much more things rather than the resin. You can print cool stuff with the resin. But yeah. We'll start coding now. We have chat, Tonche and Pekka, they are my big fans. They will ask many questions, so you know it's interesting. I encourage them to ask science questions, philosophy questions. Uh, they can tell internal jokes. There are gonna be sarcastic things. So yeah, but we are gonna programming. We'll start programming now. Okay, now you might be. No, I'm not. No crash test. Too expensive. Now, okay, you might be inclined again to think that I'm inhaling volatile organic compounds while I'm talking. Right now, because I'm light mode. Light mode. 9 p.m. Yeah, hella crazy. Uh, but I love this color key. Right. Did you find bigger customers? There was. We had some customers, but that didn't quite work out yet. But we have donations from them, so people have donated to B.A.G.E.R. People have donated to B.A.G.E.R. Okay, I have to say that I didn't touch this code since the summer. Uh, as I said, I barely programmed in the last 3 months because, as I said, I'm doing introductory project for programming is only a part of the project, and I was focusing on the other non-programming parts of the project. But it doesn't mean I forgot how to program. That's skill. Uh, that's like riding a bike. Once you learn, you can't forget it. Are those customers goons? I do not know what customers do in their free time. I don't know. I would please Tonchi to be more polite, more polite. Uh, but how did you come with that idea to build bigger? Okay, very fine idea. Very fine idea. So this is exclusive. Okay, Tonchi, I know you're a clipper. Clip this. How did B.A.G.E.R start? So I'm reading news portals, and I see people winning awards. You know, there are people who do things like this. Go to the YouTube and type MIT Maker Portfolio. You will see interesting projects. And I saw some news portals. I read some news portals from Croatia, so Croatian examples. some robotics competition, and I said, okay, they are going. People are winning awards. So why I'm not winning awards? And I come to my partner, my my co-partner, right, with whom I do this project, and I tell him, let's make a B.A.G.E.R. Let's make an autonomous excavator. B.A.G.E.R is Croatian word for an excavator, and he is a little bit suspicious. And I tell him, you're gonna create an autonomous excavator. This idea is innovative, and that's why we're gonna win if we ever go to the competition. I love innovation. I don't love copying. I love something unique, something innovative. And this is innovative because there are autonomous excavators. They are rare on the industrial scale. They are rare. And what is even rarer is project documentation parts. So program to read your documentation is even rare. Right, so that's the first thing, which is unique to our project. And second thing is that we're building from scratch. So we're not using Lego blocks, not using plastics. Our assembly is metal. We're not using setups like Go Build That. There's Go Build That. We're assembling everything ourselves. So yeah, and we also have to we can ship intermediaries. So we can ship half-baked solutions with the promise to finish the solution. Intermediary projects, we can also ship that. So yeah, we have project documentation parser built from things built from scratch. So yeah, it's fun project, and maybe we will apply to some competition when we finish this project. It's a deal for those customers. Okay. Don't you B.A.G.E.R is not a sex toy. So there is okay. Tonchi is the only one with the confusion. B.A.G.E.R is not a sex toy. You will probably clip this word. I know that you all of you in chat are big dirty clippers, and you clip everything. But yeah, B.A.G.E.R's purpose is to dig holes in the ground. To move dirt. To move soil. Okay, to move atoms of soil. That is the purpose of B.A.G.E.R. Can you repurpose it? Of course you can repurpose it, but you can repurpose everything. So yeah. Will B.A.G.E.R be finished 2026? I don't know. Depends on the co-partner, and he's he's busy. I'm busy, so yeah. As I said, we are working this slowly. No stress. Stress kills people. Stress kills people. Okay, but you two just ask questions. Okay, we have to keep this chat interesting. So how this code works? So there is a main.py. We have also UI version. But before I start coding, I have to open the program. Okay, you have to see the magic. Let me just remind how I do that. Source. Okay, so I just type source. B.A.G.E.R parser. Bin activate. Brilliant. Brilliant. Um. Uh. Yeah. Wait, I need to open ChatGPT, but that will take some time. Uh, uh, Let me open ChatGPT. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Activate.exe. Okay. Thank you very much, on Nicodem. He's also my good fan. He's also a good fan. Wait, which outsource? Which outsource? What? Mm, bin. Bin. Uh, yeah, this doesn't work. No, I thought this readme doesn't suck. It worked this summer. Okay, I told you. I forgot what was going on from this summer. Let me open ChatGPT. Uh, yeah, where is what is ChatGPT URL? Uh, script. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah, I think my readme is wrong. So yeah, activate dot. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, good. We have an environment set it up, so that's good. Remove this. Okay, we'll try to do with this without ChatGPT. Okay. But okay, we have this here. Not Necodev is a B.A.G.E.R contributor, so every contributor will get a name on the B.A.G.E.R. We will engrave the names of contributors. Yeah, he's also my good fan and B.A.G.E.R contributor. Yeah, this summer. This summer was very productive for B.A.G.E.R. In July, I have finished this front end, and in August, I have designed all of the things. And first November, main box is completed. So yeah, very good. Yeah. So I will. Okay. Now I will show you the UI version. But Necodev worked on the UI version. Uh, okay. So what we are gonna do? We're gonna open documentation editor, and here we have a hole. We have a dump. So we have a polygon. Everything is a polygon. So we have a polygon. No, don't you know? So we have a hole. We have a polygon where we dig dirt, where we dig dirt. That dirt is moved to another polygon called dump. Okay, you can name them whatever they want. Are they hole or dump is defined in this variable. So we'll run B.A.G.E.R parser, and here you can see a hole and a dump. Yeah. I don't know. One day. So, how does this work? So, you open. So there's a polygon. You draw a polygon from lines in CAD, and DXF format has those lines. I use shape library to get those lines, and by using something called depth first search (DFS), I create a closed polygon. Right. So using an algorithm, I can find all of the all of the lines which form closed polygon. I have to say that ChatGPT helped me with that part. I suck at algorithms. Yeah, I love science, I love physics, I love computational modeling, but I don't like algorithms. They're a bit boring. There are, mathematical. No, they're very theor- theoretical mathematics. It's interesting. Between science and engineering, I tend to go science, right? I tend to choose science. I mean, for a choice between science and engineering. Yet I dislike that algorithms because they are too theoretical. Am I the god of internet? No, I'm not. No, I'm not. But yeah, just continue to ask questions. So yeah, this is how it works, and this works perfectly. Now, oh yeah, this is no. Yeah, and here we can see polygons. We also split the polygons, so it's easier for the backend to work. Okay. Yeah. So this is okay. Hole is a circle, and we have two dumps. Okay. We have two dumps and one hole. Okay, I'm sorry. And this is maybe very. No, I cannot split the arithmetic. C, please don't be heretical. Here we have lots of examples, lots of test cases. It's not an exhaustible list, of course, but there are lots of test cases. So you cannot say you cannot claim that this only works for curated edge cases. It works. Unordered rectangles, multiple rectangles, ellipses, circles, bottles, arcs, everything I could think of. It's here. By the way, today we're going to work in extractor. So this is a DXF extractor. Basically, uh, just extract the entities. So this is how it works. So extractor extracts lines and covers them to shape. And once everything, so we have we'll have three extractors. The XF extractor, GIS extractor, and image extractor. And all those extractors will extract lines and convert those lines into shapely geometry, into shapely elements, shapely lines. And then from shapely lines, I create polygons and everything, and I do depth first search and everything. So I don't have to touch anything, any other module, any other portion of the code. I only have to make image extractor and come to the shape. B.A.G.E.R retard. Of course, internal joke. Okay, internal joke. It's not good to call people retards. So it's not a very good internal joke, but yeah, Tonchi is a chief of internal jokes. Is B.A.G.E.R street legal? Is any excavator street legal? I mean, if it has caterpillars, you cannot drive it on the street because it will destroy the asphalt. So, but our B.A.G.E.R is a robot. It's a robot in the one and 12 around 12 times smaller than the real size excavator. So it's a prototype. So it's a smaller scale prototype robot. Yeah, small scale prototype robot. But yeah, we will just okay. We will go now. Now, as I said, we are going to okay. So we have this. We have this image, but this is just old, and this doesn't work. This works poorly. This works poorly. Why is this? Okay, why is image imported here? Like, okay, image old. Okay. Uh, let it be here. Let it be here. Uh, okay. I will go create another line, new file, another file. I'm going to call it image.py. I'm going to create. I'm gonna copy comments. Yes, I'm gonna procrastinate a lot. So we have bigger parse and we have image extract. Class image, and I'm going to have this extract entities from an image and convert them into shapely elements, attributes, path to the image file. Why don't use CodeBlocks? CodeBlocks is IDE, integrated development editor for C and C++. I don't like IDEs. I mean, I like text editors more. And this is Python. This is Python, and Visual Studio Code is for all of the languages. You have an extension, so it's a text editor. You can write in any program any code, but you will not get the syntax, highlighting, the auto completion. So Visual Studio Code has basic extensions for all of the languages, which have like at least 2 users out there. Is IT in school hard? In our school, it's hard than compared to other schools. And it's first year is a normal year. How it, you have it's like you're studying math, basically. Not math, but it's a theory, so it's manageable. But that rest, I mean, programming is a skill. Uh, it has to click in the head. So learning programming. Okay, time for the philosophy. Right? So learning programming is training AI models, which is in itself related to thermodynamics. So in thermodynamics, we have phase transitions, and when you train AI, you have phase transitions. You don't know anything, and from one moment you know everything. Same in coding. You're coding, you don't know anything, and there comes that point in the time when you know everything. Basically, phase transition. What's better, C++ or Python? Okay, so every language has its own use case. Every language is made for its own purpose. But if you need to choose one language, of course, it's gonna be C++. It's much more versatile. You can do much more in C++. You can do it fast. Python is slow. It's interpreted language. It's slow, but can do things quicker. I mean, you can write the code quicker. So if you have some data, small data. Like I don't know, you have let's say 100 images, and you want to sort those 100 images. Of course, you're gonna use Python, because computers do run that code very fast. But now, if you have 10,000 images, million images, of course, you're gonna use C++ so you can compute more efficiently. So really invest in AI. Okay, so AI. Okay, today, currently, right now, AI is a buzzword. It's buzzword, and investors are investing in generative artificial intelligence. They want to create general artificial intelligence, AGI, artificial general intelligence, and that's their goal. That is the goal of the artificial intelligence of the whole field, to create artificial intelligence which is as intelligent as humans. That's the goal. Right now, generative AI is a really masterpiece of technology. Masterpiece of technology, and investors are pouring to lots of money, and it became a buzzword. We are basically in a bubble. So everybody wants to create new LLM, new GAN. Everybody wants image model. Everybody wants a language model. So they're dumping huge amounts of money. But they have lots of money, and yeah, once it becomes profitable, it's gonna be a gold mine. So you're gonna win for the whole life when that kicks in. Yeah, that's generative AI, and generative AI is the AI which is responsible for the slope. Yeah. Again, every technology is neutral. I mean, fission is neutral, and for fission you get bombs, and you get nuclear. But I like AI which is not uh, generative, like neural networks, physical informed neural networks, or neural network for data simulation, data analysis, computational modeling, physical modeling, fluid modeling. I like that AI. But generative AI is a beautiful piece of technology, but we have to be responsible about how we use it, because it's dangerous. I mean, a fluid simulator is not dangerous at all, but generative AI is dangerous. So we have to be responsible. In main, uh, okay, interesting interesting program. So yeah, let's write some code. So we have this class in Python. So Python, in Python you have class. Class is object oriented programming. That's theory. Everything. Yeah. So there are people who will die for object-oriented programming, and there are people who would kill object-oriented programming. Uh, but okay. Here we're gonna add self. This means that it's a part of the class, and we are gonna add argument path. Several path. So good thing in Python you don't need to add semicolons at the end of the line, but you can. But you can do that. What do I think about Kimi Lame? My friend, I don't think anything. Uh, no opinion. Okay, we have a good average view duration, so that's good. Yeah, Serge, it's some model from that guy from that TikToker. Okay. Path. Okay. Uh, and we're gonna have the execute method here. The execute. We're just gonna add pass so it can exist. Is B.A.G.E.R going to steal copper? No. It is open source. This extract of a front end is open source and will remain open source, but backend is and will remain closed source. So yeah. Okay, self.elements. So we're gonna create self.elements. We're gonna create an array. Everybody loves arrays. So we're going to have def get element def get elements return self.elements self.elements okay. uh yeah, I don't think that's a true statement. And I think you should be careful about what you are saying in public. I mean, yeah, I mean, you're getting yourself in a problem. I mean, so yeah, for your own good, you should be careful about what you're talking in public. You cannot get a moderator because you like to time out people. That's first thing. You like to time out people, and second thing, you know to tell things which are not supposed to be told in public. Sometimes. Okay, luckily they are not about me, but there are some people who can be hurt. How did it fall from 6 people to 2? Uh, yeah, I don't know. But they will come. They will come. You know. Wait, is Peika here? Still here. And why is Tonchi number 3 in the chat? I mean, they have all the same XP. Yeah, alphabetical order. Is 6-7 the absurd of postmodernism? Uh, okay, there is a TikTok video made by Index where they're like asking people what they do they know what 6-7 is, and one girl who presumably studies philosophy said that 6-7 is absurd of postmodernism. And I found another guy on Instagram, who also told that 6-7 is the absurd postmodernism. Now is 6-7 absurd of the postmodernism? Maybe it's an abstract art we don't understand. Uh, but yeah, I think humans are very good to find patterns where they don't exist. So maybe I don't think anything. Yeah, I just think some guy says 6-7, and by some chance algorithm promoted that video, and people started catching that. We live in a small world network. So Veritas made a very good video about small world networks, and it's enough for a few people to start talking 6-7, and everybody's affected by talking 6-7. Network science. Why was gay Lusak not in the video? I had 21 physicists, and I had to somehow rate them from the importance. It's not that. I mean, gay Lusak, okay, yes, he has that law, but Fermi is just more important. Lagrange is more important. Newton is more important. Planck is more important. Einstein, Boltzmann, and the other guys. But no, this video is actually good. It has lots of views, so thank you for the views, for the support in that video. But yeah, it's a good video. I'm not programming. I will do programming. I said it's conceptual slash chill work. So it's when there are live streams, it's chill and conceptual work. We had our productive live streams. When I'm gonna stream Geometry Dash, I don't know. I tried to buy it, but it doesn't work. Cause you all have the same XP, and then you just sorted out YouTube by alphabetical order. Tonchi, yeah. Is YouTube shit because of my strike? YouTube is good. You just don't follow the rules. Uh, like follow the rules, man. I will make a commit today. I haven't made a commit this month. I will have to make a commit every month. Okay, go ask questions. Ask questions. I don't know. Ask something about physics, or you can even ask philosophy. And if I know to answer it, I will answer it. If not, I will not answer it. Even though it's a bit dangerous if I go down the philosophy rabbit hole. So, Tonchi says, are my videos production? We have to understand that in order to be productive, you have to be relaxed. So, relaxation videos, entertainment enables you to be relaxed, so you can be more productive. Extractor. G stands for Geographical Information Systems. I think two of you are complete idiots, but okay. But I have to say it's very interesting because working with GIS and image extraction, you know it's all it's all introductory to computational modeling. Because as I said, in order to do computational modeling, you need to get data, and by image and GIS extraction, you get data, so you can do computational modeling. It's really fun. It's really fun. But yeah, you can clip this. And my opinion is that Onchi and Peik are complete idiots. Uh, for Yeah, for such jokes, they are complete idiots. No, I'm not a Nazi agent. Like, come on, what are you talking about? Yes, as I said, don't you love to make interesting jokes? Interesting jokes. But okay. Don't forget to like and subscribe, so we boost the algorithm. This video, we had this year we had like we had I have uploaded 4 videos. I have uploaded 4 videos this year, plus one private video. So I uploaded one video, but I had to remove it. So, but yeah, 4 videos. And the next year, depending on how these 2 projects are going, I will upload 2 videos. So when I finish that another project, I will upload a video. And when I finish the metal construction of B.A.G.E.R, I will upload a video. So those are plans. So I plan like 2 videos next year. But it depends how those projects are going. And those two enemies and release are their own posts. Their own posts, I don't know when I will do them. Maybe on some, maybe I'll not do them. On some, maybe I'll do them. Maybe I will never do them. So they are their own posts. I have to also say the Ring on Go has been closed for like a month now. Yeah, I like closing in 5th month and I just reopen it, but then I just close in 10 months. I had to move on with life. Yeah, just move on with the life and that's it. I had some live streams this year in the summer. They were very productive in the summer. I had some micro live streams this winter, and now I have one live stream. I think I will be live streaming till the end of 2025. So yeah, I think this is the last upload for the 2025. But yeah, there will be live streams 2026, of course. Are you a Jewish, gay, black, disabled person by any chance? No, I'm not. I just hope that the algorithm doesn't shadow block me for saying these words. Like, come on. Yeah, I don't think they flag live streams. They're too long to process. They're too long to process. Yeah, I will make this and I will, make a commit. I have to make a commit. Uh, Wait, what is this wrong? What? Okay. Is there going to be a New Year stream? No. Because I want to celebrate a new year with my friends and family, not being busy about live stream. There's something called private life. Yes, I do post my opinions online on YouTube. I post videos, and with videos and live streams, you can know my interests, and I post my work on GitHub. So you see projects I'm doing over on GitHub, and then you have a Discord. You all know my Discord. You can see what I'm talking about. But I have a private life. Okay. The myth that programmers are, some people with low EQ is wrong. Because one, there are too many programmers for that to be true. Two, Number two, I do interdisciplinary projects where programming is only a part of a project. So I'm not even programming full time. I have evolved beyond programming. Okay, beyond programming, do science, computational modeling, interdisciplinary stuff. I'm working on project where programming is only a part of the project. I have to repeat that because you don't understand. So yeah, I have evolved beyond programming. So that myth, me not having a private life is wrong, and then myth that all programmers have low IQ is also wrong. There are too many of them. Is Picado a good sport? You know, it's a fun sport. Okay, I love Picado, but they are all you know, they're never not very athletically built. But it's an interesting sport, you know. I love Picado. The hypermetagonism quasi-resolves ontologically. Okay, let me read this. Okay, let me read this as a challenge. The hypermetacognizant quasarization of an ontologically recursive paradoxes flamboyantly obfuscates the indecent axioms of nothing in particular. Okay, this is complete bullshit written by ChatGPT. So this hyper metacognizant meta okay, then something about brain quasarization. No idea. Ontologically, no. Yeah, I heard that term. I don't know what is it. I forgot. Axioms of nothing particular. I don't know what axiom is, but okay. So axioms are statements to be taken to be true, statements that we take as true, but we don't have ways to necessarily prove them. And there was a bit of crisis in mathematics regarding the axioms of set theory. Pekka might tell you more about the countable and uncountable infinities. Maybe he has also learned of the axiom of choice and Zermelo-Fraenkel set theory. He had a presentation about infinity, so he maybe touched how those infinities barely, how they nearly broke math. You know, some people ask me today why they should watch my live streams, and I said they are very educational. And they are very educational. You see, we are talking about philosophy, we are talking about math, we are talking about science. Okay, Pekka will now explain you something about infinities, maybe an axiom of choice, and interesting things. Yeah, this is boring. Who cares for Python, bro? Who cares for Python? I mean, axiom of choice. That's the thing we should do. You know, break math. That's interesting. Who cares for Python? Everybody progresses in Python now, but not everybody knows what axiom of choice is. Only utterly deranged people know what axiom of choice is. The metaphysical choreography of desire pirouetted through a consensual constellation of intimacy where libido debated philosophy and nothing particularly happened. Okay, philosophy as always. Not philosophy asks questions, doesn't answer the questions. Concurrent viewers too. That's good. Okay, but come people, come. We mentioned the axioms of choice. You got a count here. No, I'm straight. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Okay. Have the execute. And I have the get element. Okay, I have the def extract elements. Need also to have this. This is like boilerplate, where we just copy things we need. Formalism. Okay, formalism needs to exist. You know, formalism is boring, but it needs to exist. Okay. You know. Alphabetically order pair categories. So yeah, alphabetical order categories. All very good. Convert them into shaky geometry. So this can actually work. Okay. Okay. Now I will do elif extractor. No. Wait, what? Ah, okay. Case gis extractor gis No, okay, I have to import. Image import from extractor dot gis import all. Okay, extractor gis parse tomo. Okay, I know where that image came from. Section path. So we have countable set of numbers which either has cardinality or is infinite, but we know that it will continue. For example, the set of natural numbers. Okay, good. Yesterday the chair argued with a banana while the clock decided to swing sideways. Okay, Tonchi, if you want to say something, you have to be a little bit more specific, unfortunately. And then there is uncountable set which is infinite made with no rule or function for its number. Yeah. Yeah, you know. Yeah, uncountable. Yeah, well, good enough, good enough. Okay, I have to change the image. So I have the image extractor here, image. And from extractor.js, import. Oh, yeah. Js, js, extractor, js, parse tomo, section name. Yeah, we are parsing each section. Yeah. Okay, well, let me just keep the TV on as my second monitor. Yeah, but I like this live stream. You know, we talk about interesting things. Okay, hell now, what is this? Yeah, no way I'm reading this. It's gonna get clipped. Also, don't we don't need a definition of that. If somebody is watching this chat, this live stream doesn't know the definition of that word, then then I don't know. And please, don't be an anti-PR manager. Okay, but I will now commit. I will push commit to the GitHub. Uh, yeah. I saw some errors which comments. We'll do that in the end. I will not. Yeah, I will not change comments now. I will not change comments now. Comments will do them offline. Uh, as I said, I'm not programming live streams, even though I had past B.A.G.E.R live stream was really productive, really productive. But today is more like conceptual work and talking. You know, relaxation, guys. Okay, guys and girls, relaxation, chilling out. You know. I do need an explanation from science from something else. Okay, Pekka, you can explain us anything you want. But may please keep it safe for work. Okay, explain us something interesting, but something that's appropriate for this. I'll give you a question. Okay, explain us Lagrangian. Okay, tell us something about Lagrangian mechanics and Lagrangian function. You know, tell us something about that thing. You know, Lagrangian mechanics. What the hell? I mean, we have Newtonian mechanics in school, and now Lagrange comes in and says Newton is stupid. Like, come on, who is on drugs here? V or Lagrange or everybody? Okay, what the hell? Okay, who wrote this? Okay, who wrote this? Okay, this don't you, if whoever wrote this, not good, not good. Andre Bartoli is portrayed as autistic, processing the world through intense focus on details while finding social situations is confusing. His different perspective shows how things interacts. Okay, first proof that this statement is false is I'm live streaming. Okay, okay, find me a person, autistic person who live streams. No, who is very comfortable with live streaming. Okay, that's first proof. Second thing. Second thing. If I were autistic, then why are my projects physical? Okay. Why I'm finding partners to do projects? Okay. Third thing is a question. Uh, who the hell wrote that sentence? Okay, don't you have to answer it? Don't you please do not share lies about me. No, they people they see programming and they think all programmers are autistic. That's very wrong. I mean, I took those online tests. They said I was like way too below the limit. So yeah, I really don't have autism. No, I really don't. I mean, I don't. I really don't mind what they are talking about. I mean, yeah, they are people with a lower emotional quotient among programmers. There is a higher thing. There's a higher percentage of people with better EQ in programming world. Yes, that is true. But they can joke. I don't care. But it's not really, it's not really appropriate towards the people who have autism to be joking, to be joking around them. Okay, thanks, Pekka, for Lagrange, and thanks, Pekka, for statistics. But yeah, but no, the thing is, I have evolved beyond programming, so and they say I'm autistic, they say I'm programming, but I have evolved beyond programming. I do projects where programming is only a part of a project, so their logic is flawed. But okay, but no, but I'm normal. If someone needs clarification, I'm normal. Yes, of course, I love programming, but that's it. Somebody likes biology. Okay, there are people who like biology. Okay, biology is basically social science amongst natural science. So yeah, there are people who like biology. So when you think that I like programming, there are people who like biology. Of course, I'm joking, but it's social science. Not not very good. What is the best split neighborhood? Of course, split free. Of course, split free. So yeah. And now I need a commit message. What is amongst the hardest things in programming? Naming things and naming a commit message. Okay. Okay. Added. Okay. Started working on image and this extractor. No, parser is extractor. Extractor is a module. Parser is a module of the bigger thing. Uh, no, no, thank you. Okay. Commit. Okay. Sync changes. But no, yeah, but my projects are very interdisciplinary and very physical. Like I have those two full programming projects and decentralized them on pause. So yeah, I'm not autistic. If I were, I would like to have better EQ, and I would likely confine myself to private. virtual project, but I do collaborationalist physical projects. So yeah. But yeah, but again, programmer jokes are funny. It's fine. Okay, what the hell, Tonchi? Okay, Tonchi. Okay, what is Tonchi talking about? Uh, we all know the root cause in this chat. So yeah, there is a we know the root cause. We know the root cause, but we cannot name the root cause. Uh, so yeah, Tonchi is Tonchi is telling internal jokes, but he forgot that he is a part of those internal jokes. So where is Egypt? Who's Egypt? Egypt is of course Serbian. If you ask Jovan Kajolic, but Egypt is Egyptian. If you're not Jovan Kajolic. So yeah, let's check that commit. Yeah, bigger parser commits after a few months. Uh, Last commit was July 17th when I published the version with full polishes. So yeah, we have a polishes in frontend. So frontend has been polished. So yeah, polishing done. So yeah, July 17th and 1 minute ago. Yeah. Let me just check my personal profile. And yeah, he's Nekodev. But yeah, yeah, one contribution then December 13th. How cool is that? But yeah, but Tonchi has okay, this is not Tonchi's joke. But Tonchi has internal jokes which are a bit, not maybe politically correct. But this is not his joke, but he is a part of a joke. So I don't know why he's mentioning. He's mentioning himself. Dear ladies and gentlemen. But I should stop talking about that before I get sued. So yeah. Yeah, I'm not fat. Not fat. I have no BMI, even even though if yeah, I would be underweight. I'm like tenfold closer to underweight than obese. But Tonchi is just joking, guys. So yeah, but uh, but fat people are more attractive. Okay, fat. Maybe that's not a right term. People who are obese, they are more attractive. So you should not try to be skinny. You should try to be fatter, more obese. So you're going to be more attractive. Maybe not in like psychological sense, but in physical sense. Yeah, but we are all made from stars. So yeah, physics gives you good pickup lines, and you can just tell uh the person who wants to tell that you're made from star. You can even explain love in form of quantum field theory. I don't know. Yeah, I tried to explain once in quantum field theory. It didn't quite work well. So yeah. But then if you use that pickup line that you are made from star, then we are all made from stars. So it loses specialty. Uh, so yeah, I think you should be normal, not use physics for pickup lines. That's just my advice. But yeah, we have made a commit. Have made like a template for DXF and image extractors. So yeah, that's good. Okay, Okay, these are not hallucinations. Okay, that Southward part is like a joke, but the rest is just complete hallucination. Come on, be more effective. Be more effective, okay? Yeah, I'm just imagining people coming to this chat and reading Tom's comments and telling this channel is crazy. This is Tony's responsibility, okay? I want people to ask interesting questions, but they don't. So all of these things that Tonchi says are really Tonchi's words. I do encourage questions, but I do encourage normal questions. I don't know, movies, physics, math, and everything. Tonchi, how do we politely say, consuming white substance. White substance. That's politely said. Also, guys, girls, and ladies and gentlemen, we are joking. Yeah, they're maybe not the most respectful, the most politically correct jokes, but we do not try to offend. Okay, the goal is not to offend. And yes, it is dangerous to joke about drugs, and drugs do are dangerous, but don't do drugs and then you can joke. Yeah, we believe we are safe from this. So yeah, drugs do change. Do make huge problems to drug addicts. So it's not very good to joke about that, but don't cheat on powder. Okay, do have any people chat excluding Tonch, do you have any question? I will answer some questions. This Q&A, you can ask any question, appropriate question. I don't know, ask about movies, music, physics, mathematics, programming. I don't know. Anything is welcome. I mean, my hobbies are science. I mean, programming and physics and science and urbanism. But yeah, those are my hobbies. But can ask about anything. No. And I said appropriate questions, but no, no, actually, no, no, no. Yeah. What I wanted to say. I have like one urbanism project. This is a lista Kotara. I had that lista Kotara. And the science projects, yeah, I have like, and this can be like considered urbanistical project. Yeah, what the hell? They can be considered that. And the science project I have, can I have that science project? Yeah, free X can be considered science project. And yeah, and and Dinamisa, Terralisa, free X, Dinamisa, Terralisa, yeah, science projects. And Kotar, yeah, Kotar is urbanistical project, B.A.G.E.R urbanistical project. Yeah, but I wanted to show you a list of my projects. Yeah, as I said, urbanism, science, computational modeling, desktop applications, embedded systems. That's what I do. Oh, hola, mint. So yeah, as I said, I'm just talking about myself. Uh, Not because I want to talk about myself, but because so I give you like I'm a content creator, so I have to talk about myself. But usually I don't talk about myself. So yeah, as I said, program, but my program interests are in embedded systems, application, computation modeling, so interdisciplinary stuff, and yeah, also urban science. But I want to show you my projects. I like to systemize my projects. These are my personal programming projects, and you can add Namisa Terralisa to it. Ringer Go program for Ringer Go is old. Is closed. Yeah, it's closed. I wanted to close in May, but closed it then. Yeah, wasn't feeling well, so I returned it, and then I closed it a month ago. Yeah, I have a Linux, but yeah, on Windows one, Windows sound for sound doesn't work, so that's why on Windows. Okay, very good, Tonchi. Sound doesn't work on Linux. Yeah, but I don't know why I use Windows. Yeah, KD. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I got emotionally connected to Windows. And we have B.A.G.E.R, that's interdisciplinary project, and not programming project. We have this neighborhoods list and another project. KD, yeah, already answered that. So yeah. So if Terralis and enemy server gets done, they're on pause. They're full programming project. They will go here. B.A.G.E.R is the interdisciplinary I'm working on is here, and another project, which I say is the interdisciplinary project, will come here. So I have like two non-programming projects. B.A.G.E.R we're going to refer to its own thing. Free Ring Go project, which I have worked on, and like 5 plus 2, like 7 personal programming projects. Here are my personal programming languages. So yeah, I think I have explained you pretty well that I like interdisciplinary stuff, so that and that I'm working on a project where program is only a part of the project. So yeah, so yeah, I can see here interesting stuff. See here the pictures. Okay, Tonchi, I'm gonna delete this comment because this is really serious stuff. You know, we cannot joke about them. It's a horrible. But yeah, that's what I do. Okay, but now I'll ask some questions. Come on, ask people some questions. I think Tony, you're just killing my PR. So. Okay, what's I think you're just killing my PR. But okay, Pekat mean ask some questions. I don't know. Ask some normal questions. I don't know. I'm not programming anymore. I have completed. I have pushed to commit. Now I will do Q&A. I'll ask some questions. I'm not gonna talk about myself. Okay, don't I said no such jokes, please. No such jokes. But yeah, go ask some questions. What do you think about actually using AI to make features in Windows 11? Yeah, heard that, but I didn't read the article. Are they gonna like do program with it or design? Yeah, but AI is good for brainstorming. Yeah, I mean, I use ChatGPT for brainstorming. So if they're gonna brainstorm, it's fine. But if they're gonna let it implement the ideas, that's not very good. But Windows 11 is already too bloated to begin with. Are you gonna? I'm not gonna. First of all, I'm not an invalid. Luckily. Uh, so I'm not gonna participate in Paralympic Games because I hope I will not be invalid by then. I'm not right now. I hope I will not be ever in my life. But yeah, I don't think I will. I don't think I will, even if that happens, which I hope won't happen. I don't think I will go to the Olympiad. So yeah, yeah. Okay, please ask some normal questions. Yeah. In the yeah, cause I don't know. I want to talk about some, but I don't. I'm not gonna talk about myself. Yeah, and here you can see the features of B.A.G.E.R and dimensions. So this box is 25 times 25 times 5 centimeters. Yes, that is a normal question. Yeah, but I mean, this is really, you know, only small deformations of the plate, so it's pretty good. Minecraft videos, I don't think so. I don't do any gaming now. Which I have played. I spent. Wait, I will tell you now how many hours of Minecraft. This is uncensored. So like, uh, wait, like I don't know how. Like I spent like 1,440 hours play Minecraft in a year. So from 2000, from summer 2023 to summer 2024, like around 1,440 hours. And I was running a server for the most of that time, and I just have lost all of the energy for Minecraft. No, 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 don't time out, don't you? No, let him be. Okay. Mm, yeah, server is mental task. Vivaldi Spring. Yes, yes, yes. It's gonna make a comeback on a good video. On a good video. Of course I'm better YouTuber. But that's only because you compare me to Tonchi. If you compare me to someone else, I would say someone else. Thank you, Leon. Thank you for the support. But there are of course people who are better than me. Come on. Yeah, Tonchi. I don't think that's gonna be. I wouldn't play with the moderators, Tonchi. I wouldn't play with moderators. Well, he insulted you, not me. So and you're a moderator, so I will let moderators deal with Tonchi. But yeah, Toncha, I'm telling you, you should be careful about what you're saying. Now, if you get timeout from Leon, it's your own fault. It's your own fault. This is Tonchi's uh Tonchi is crazy, a crazy person. He loves to do edgy jokes. I don't have anything to do with that. Please do not connect me with Tonchi in any ways. Do not connect me with Tonchi in any way. Yeah, this seriously, people. These are really Tonchi's edgy jokes, not mine. But okay, ask some questions. I don't know. Let's ask some questions. Oh, okay. Wait, what? Okay, Bruno. Good night, but it's only 10 p.m. Oh, okay. Mint. Mint is interesting. Okay, Tonchi is a mentally deranged person. Uh, but I will let the moderators work out. Yeah, but Tonchi, I don't think you're you know what you're doing. No, but Leon was the owner of co-owner of the server. Yeah. I don't know if you have watched my old videos. Pekka Team Tonchi. Leon was co-owner of our Minecraft server. You know, Xeno Network. Okay, later it became mine server, but in the beginning it was our server. So yeah, Tonchi was co-owner. Okay, but I have to say that these three persons are complete idiots. Please clip that. These people are complete idiots, and you should not trust them with sensitive information. With sensitive, with sensitive information. But okay. Okay, Tonchi is crazy, and okay, you can tell. You can ask why I'm not reacting. I will let idiots unfold themselves. But no, but Tonchi is a complete, utterly deranged idiot. He likes to joke uh, a lot. He just likes to joke a lot. But these are only jokes, so yeah. These are jokes, okay, jokes. Just for extra clarification to the external watchers. Oh, okay, okay. I think I have to delete messages because I don't wanna get sued. Don't wanna get sued for allowing such jokes. Even though the okay, please don't sue me. Okay, they are complete idiots, not me. You know. They if you feel offended by their jokes, don't sue me. You know they like to they like to make jokes. Okay, meanwhile we're getting censored because we're mentioning people who are unrelated to this. Okay, so when you are joking, please keep that to the realm of an internal joke. Yeah, but we have such internal jokes. Me and Pekka and Dochi, they are my friends, real life friends. So yeah, they're my friends, and I know what they are talking about, and they are joking. Yes, they are a little bit weird to you as an external viewers to read such jokes, but it's fine. They're they're jokes. Uh, who did Tonchi docs? Yeah, Brawl Stars. I don't play Brawl Stars. I don't know. So yeah, don't worry, external watchers. Uh, uh, it's only a joke. Yeah, Leon, as you can see, my IRL friends, they are crazy when they come to the chat, so that's why I don't have mods, because they are utterly deranged persons. When they watch my live streams. No, only jokes. People, don't worry. Yeah, last time Tonsi time outed everybody in the chat. So I don't like timers because they delete messages. I don't like to delete messages. So just delete messages. Don't time out. Don't time out the messages. But yeah, people, don't worry, don't worry. These are only jokes. No, no, no intentions to offend anybody. So yeah, don't feel offended. Yeah, don't you know Geometry Dash Pro? Okay, we have 5 viewers. So I hope that yeah. Okay, what the fuck in the world, don't you? Who is even Piper? What is even Piper? Come on. Uh, so yeah, we have five viewers. Yeah. Mint, yeah. Don't you is Geometry Dash Addict? That's not very good, but okay. No. Only with Worded, yeah. Like we spoke from every 3 months. But yeah, unfortunately, I'm not. We all went our own ways. So I only am in touch with you through chat with Worded every 3 months. Yeah, but Mint and I have bad words, Mint. Right, Mint. We won one bad words round, and we were third in another. Yeah. We are not bringing anybody new. But you do know, don't you, that this is gonna be public and I have a no deletion policy. So yeah, everything you say will remain public. I mean, it's not like anybody's gonna read this, but yeah, well, if somebody wants you to analyze you deeply, to run deep psychological analysis on you, they're gonna have lots of materials. But yeah, boom and stick are 33 centimeters respective, and bucket is around 0.4 liters. Uh, okay, I mean you're currently only normal person here, so and Leon. So yeah, ask some questions normal, so we can end this live stream in a positive way. To that gets on 6 7 years and forget. Okay, this is a good joke. Okay, this is a non-offendable joke. Okay, good one, Tom. We ask some questions so we can wrap this up with normal things. Yeah, with normal things. Mm. Okay, what the hell, bro? Yeah, I have talked about B.A.G.E.R. Me and mine. co-partner. We are working slowly. He's I'm busy, but he's more busy than me, and we are just working slowly. We are working slowly. We're working slowly. Yeah, relax works, stress kills. And here is for Leon. I will show up this. So we have completed 45% front end main box assembled. Then we have designed hydraulics and caterpillars. And we have to assemble excavator arm, hydraulics, caterpillars, backend soldering testing. In hydraulics are real motors. There is not gonna be a liquid there, and we'll do interesting projects with B.A.G.E.R. So when we do this, it's gonna be done. And like 5% of this, and 5% front end and this, and B.A.G.E.R is done, and we can do interesting projects with it. Yeah. We have completed this 1st November. We like spent 6 hours doing this, and we have completed it. We have completed it. Everything is tightly packed. So it works. And this there is actually 6-7 kilos here for real actually. So yeah, very little deformation. So yeah, but yeah, it's really sturdy. We spent 6 hours and we have completed it. Everything one day. Nothing good. Yeah, reopenings. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen. It's too much energy. Too much energy for running a server. Yeah, people, you have to manage people, and when people are fighting, then you have it drains you energy from. Drains energy. So yeah, I don't think I can open another Minecraft server. Yeah, stop spamming, bro. Let him spam. Yeah, that was good owner. Yeah. Yeah, I think 6-7 eyes offender would be enough for the stronghold. What the hell, bro? No, I'm not diagnosed with any cancer. People don't have cancer. Luckily, I think I don't have. Yeah, I'm not dying, guys. Currently I don't have any cancer. I hope I won't have any cancer. I'm not dying. What's my favorite drink? Apple juice, water. So yeah, things like that. Yeah, I don't do anything. Tonchi is on white powder and he talks utterly deranged things. Yeah, Tonchi is just prognosing himself on other people. Oh, pyrotechnics. Yeah, I don't like support people. Making having pyrotechnics, but I do support city fireworks. Yeah, city fireworks. Yes, but people firing pyrotechnics on their own. Yeah, yeah, I don't support that. Just good for animals, and it's a bit annoying and it's a bit dangerous for people who fire pyrotechnics. What's better, white powder or photopolymeric resin? Photopolymer resin has good volatile organic compounds, which Tonji tried. He told me that volatile organic compounds are good, but he also told me that white powder is better. Yeah, Tonji. Yeah. I don't have geometry test. I wanted to buy geometry test today, but the card got declined. So and BlueStacks just lacks too much. Yeah, I don't wanna play. Yeah, we will try in the next live stream. Uh, yeah, I like. Yeah, I can actually get used to any music, but the statement that I listen to classical music is a true statement, and I do listen to classical music occasionally. Occasionally, I do listen to classical music. Okay, what the hell, bro? What am I not? The question is, what am I not? No, 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 no. Tonchi is good. He's good. He just no, he's good. He when he comes to my live streams, he starts to talking everything. He just talks a bunch of shit when he's on live stream. Yeah, this is actually fake statement. This is there is some other person who does this. I'm not doing this. There is other person, but not everything today was Tonchis. Okay, yeah, most of those jokes are Tonchis, but not those jokes were Tonchis. Uh, but yeah, but Tonchi is now describing some other people. Tonchi, how is your YouTube channel going? Yeah, as I said, Tonchi, Tonchi knows to joke. Little bit too much sometimes. Little bit too much, but yeah, it's fine. All of those things which he said, I'm aware of them. I'm aware of them, so it's fine. Don't worry, don't worry. Yeah, no, I'm not going before midnight. Midnight is my sleep time. Yeah, I'm not gonna go before midnight. I don't go before midnight. From 11 to midnight is my sleep time. Yeah, I think we are gonna wrap this up here. Uh, you know. Yeah, then Leo, maybe you should go to sleep if you're getting up at 6 a.m. But do whatever you want. Here is B.A.G.E.R project. Here is B.A.G.E.R parser. Like and subscribe as always. Like and subscribe. Hope you have enjoyed this live stream, and don't get offended by Tony's jokes. Tony's only joking, and it was his idea to tell jokes, but I was aware of those jokes. Okay, I was aware of those jokes. I know about those jokes, so it's nobody's getting offended. But I didn't tell him to tell that, so yeah, don't get offended. But there is only jokes, so yeah, don't be mad. Okay, don't be mad. Yeah, yeah, we all know. Yeah, but no, man. We love to joke. So if anybody external is watching this, yeah, it's only a joke. Don't get offended. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this live stream. Wasn't productive, as I said. We are gonna do conceptual work. We have made a commit, which is good. I like to make commits. Have made the commits. Everything is good. So yeah. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next video slash live stream. Okay, W is in the chat for the live stream. W is in the chat. I mean, 1 hour and 44 minutes. That's good. Thanks, Leon, for W. Uh, of course, Tonti is gonna sell L, but yeah, of course. Yeah, good. W for Leon. W for Leon. Best moderator. Tonchi is a very bad moderator. Tonchi is the worst moderator I had. Yeah, somebody send something normal in the chat so I can end this live stream with a normal message. See you in the next video or live stream.